Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in today's video, I really wanted to do a bold eye. I want to try a bold eye on my mature skin. So that is what we're going to be doing today. But before we get into that video, I would love if you subscribe to my channel. You could ring the bell. It will give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday. So yep, like, make comments, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support. And thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, happy new year. As I'm sitting down right now, it is New Year's Eve. We made it. Thank you 2024 for all the lessons, all the blessings, all the experiences. I am like so ready to start anew. So I had an idea a few weeks ago to do like a bold, maybe like smoky or a halo eye, and I'm thinking how appropriate we could do it for New Year's Eve. So that is what I'm going to attempt to do. I'm going to attempt to do it. I really want to do a halo eye, and hopefully if it comes out great, that's the look I'll be wearing tonight. I hope, I pray. But anyway, I need concentration, girl. I'm going to zoom you guys in. I think I'm going to just, we're going to chill. We're going to just, I'm going to just put a little bit of background music on, no chit chatting, because I have to concentrate, girl. And yeah, so I think that's what we're going to do. Okay, these lashes only took like forever. Ooh, that is a lot of eye. Don't panic. I'm gonna just go real quick with the rest of my face, and then we'll see how this came out. Okay guys, I think I am done. What do you guys think? I'm like these eyes are like so a lot. What do you guys think? I wanted to keep everything else pretty muted. Although I think this lipstick the lip liner is a little bit too dark, so I wanted to keep all the emphasis on the eyes. So what I think I'm gonna do is I wanna take off this lipstick. I wanna take off the liner. I think it's just too much, and I think I'm going to put the lipstick back on. By the way, this is the Dance Floor Princess by Charlotte Tilbury. I think I picked this up in Vegas one year. Maybe I'll just get like a nude lip liner, like something close to my lips, but I think this is better. I don't know guys, what do you think of the eyes? I think it came out so beautiful. I'm just not sure if it's too much. Okay, let's see. Let me just take this off and just see. The lips look nice. This is what the lips look good. I didn't want too much. Like I said, I may just throw on like a nude lip liner just to give the lips a little bit more dimension. But what do you think of these bold halo eyes? I'm gonna try skin. What do you guys think? I'm on the fence. I really am. I'm on the fence, but hold on, let me just take one more look. That's better. So this is the final look. This is what I'm wearing tonight for New Year's Eve. What do you guys think? The whole back is backless. By the way, I love these fringes on these arms. Look how pretty that is. Yes, I really, really love this muted, lighter lip with these eyes. What do you guys think? I think this came out so beautiful. I'm still a little bit hesitant on the eyes, only because, girl, I'm not a bold eyes kind of girl, but I think it looks so pretty with the outfit. So I think this is it, guys. This is my video on bold eyes on mature skin, because it's New Year's Eve. So that is it, guys. This is my video. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. Happy New Year's. See you next year, which is tomorrow. Thank you so much again. Be safe out there. Be good to each other. Love each other, and have a great day. See you next year. Bye.